always get some weird people in the south. What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to Just That. And this is the third day in a row on this long weekend, that was 3 not 2, where I'm doing a vlog. Just really enjoying it. Got the creative juices flowing, so to speak. And again, we're going out. This is a very short notice sort of stuff that we're doing. Going out for a hike or sort of a short walk to a place that we have passed many a time in our lifetime, up Ailif's Road down the southern suburbs of Adelaide to Shepherd's, I think it's Shepherd's Hill Recreation Park. I'll put a link down below of the actual name. Just to check out, I think there's about 4 different loops that you can do, which is cool. Obviously, Kazz is driving. There she is, very talkative as per usual. And Jazzy's gone home, unfortunately, but had a lovely weekend with her, which you would have seen in the Henley Beach mini golf vlog, and also the other vlog, which I've forgotten the title, but I'm sure it'll come out soon. So well, it would have already been out actually, because this will be the 3rd of that series or something like that. Anyway, stay tuned. I heard the other day that they've opened these restaurants in the eastern states, and there's going to be one here called the Canon restaurant, where, I don't know, the waitresses or something yell at you and that. I take a little bit of offence to that, because obviously Kazz is a nickname for Karen, and she's the most docile person, never yells, never does anything like that. So I won't be going to that restaurant, and I think it's a stupid idea. Anyway, we're about 5 minutes away from Shepherd's Hill Conservation Park, so I'll see you there. Okay, so we've arrived at the Shepherd's Hill National Park. I think that's what it's called. And we're going to do the River Red Gum Loop. There's a few loops here, as I said. Had a look at the map though, and it's quite confusing. So looks like there's a Seaview Loop and a few other things as well. So we're just going to sort of make our own loop in a way. So, but very pretty. A few people here, but not many. So yeah, have a look at the nice scenery I'm about to show you. In here, what it's like, as I said, we've driven past here since I was a kid probably, and you never sort of know how big it is, and it is huge. It's sort of, you hear the distant sound of traffic, and it slowly sort of just mutes, and you're in nature. So, and this is pretty much on the doorstep of the city, I guess, in a way, or the CBD or whatever. So it's yeah, it's really cool. It's nice that Adelaide has these sort of things. So in the middle of this park, there is a archery club, which is a little bit unusual. It's sort of stuck in the middle of nowhere too, but as long as there's no red flags up, that means that, well, we're good. Once again, we're in a conservation park, national park, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, recreation park, and the lack of signage for the loops and stuff is present. It's like, get your act together, Parks SA. You know, a bit of pine wood, what do you want to call it, into a ground and a few signs, it wouldn't hurt. I don't think I'm in any danger of walking 25 kilometers per hour, but it's nice to see that they're putting speed limit signs up and all. So we're now doing the Seaview Loop, or we're just got on that track. Back there it got a bit confusing about which way we're going and that, so thought we might try our luck and see if we can get a sea view today for you guys. And then we might sort of circle back and come back the way we came. But yeah, all good so far. Okay, so change of plans. We are now on the grey box loop. As I've said before, this place's signage is a bit painful. So we've now made our way onto the Seaview lap. I'll get it right in a sec. The Seaview Loop track, and we got some nice views of the city and coastline behind us, but it is a pretty full-on hill. So, but yeah, glad we're doing it. It's nice to do what we came out to do, and yeah, quite impressed. Apart from the signage at this place, hidden little gem, it really is. Yeah. Okay, and that was our look at Shepherd's Hill, the tracks around there, and yeah, we did a number of tracks as you would have seen, but we got some nice views of the city and thereabouts. Probably did about 5Ks in the end, but well worth it, and I think we'll go back there possibly when it's a little bit greener. It's a little bit barren in there at the moment. So yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button down below if you're new and a first time viewer, and welcome, and also give it a thumbs up if you're a subscriber watching this, or you're new and you've just happened to click on this video, and plenty more content coming out on Just That very soon. So take care, bye bye.